Hi, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida. I'm going to talk to you about some time-saving tips on how to cut your wedding cake more efficiently. After you've already had your cake ceremony, you've removed your actual cake piece to actually feed each other, it would be very beneficial, especially if you have a wedding that has a large amount of guests, like say 200, 250, or 300, to have an extra sheet cake in the back. Most wedding cake full sheet cakes, they're made the exact same way. They have the same layers of cake, the same fillings. But while you guys are actually having your actual cake ceremony and feeding each other, your caterers or planners could go ahead and start pre-cutting your sheet cake in the back, so that way when your cake ceremony is complete, they can then take your wedding cake to the back to be cut, but then your guests can automatically be served their slice of cake. That way there's basically no wait time. Basically, a lot of times when you have a wedding cake that's big enough to feed 200 or 300 people, your guests might be waiting 45 minutes to an hour before they actually see their first slice of cake. So it's just a real time saver to go ahead and have that full sheet cake in the back, so that way it can be pre-cut and served to your guests immediately. My name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakery in Tampa, Florida.